how to rent movies on Prime Video. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can rent movies on Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to rent a movie or show on Prime Video, you have to open the Prime Video application. Now, you can only rent a movie if Prime Video has made it available for rent. You cannot rent every movie out there. Sometimes it is available, sometimes it is not available. If it's not available, you have to take the whole Prime Video subscription itself. So from here onwards, what you have to do is from the bottom you'll find the option called store. So tap on the store option here, and when you tap on that little store option there, you should be able to see a list of options called rent or buy, rent or buy. Buy, this means buy, so you can't rent it. If you can rent or buy, you can do that. So select a particular show or movie that you would like to either rent or buy. You can rent the movie in standard quality, or you can buy the movie in standard quality. The buying is $15, the renting is $6. Now this could be different for every movie, so you might want to check the price yourself. Now tap on the rent movie option here, and once you've done that, you should be taken to the place where you can fill in the payment details. Now unfortunately, in my case, the title is not available in my country, so I might have to select and change it to United States. But if it is available in yours, you should be able to enter the payment details and rent that particular movie on Prime Video. You can check the other shows if you're willing to do that as well. So hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.